It's right now a tropical storm, but in the next few hours, it will become a Category 1 hurricane. And before it makes landfall, which it may make landfall very soon, matter of fact, it may actually hit very, very soon. According to reports, Tropical Storm Francine continues to move over the Gulf of Mexico today on a path toward Louisiana. I've said that back before this thing even became a tropical depression, that it was going to become a tropical storm, and eventually a hurricane, and was headed right for Louisiana. And that is where it's going. According to even the National Weather Service, speeding up slightly, it will get faster and shifting eastward and triggered a new hazardous weather alert. It's even going to drift further to the east near the Florida panhandle, the Florida border. Forecasters expect the storm to move ashore as a Category 1 hurricane. BP Earthwatch and I believe it will be a Category 2 or 3, and it will hit the coast of Louisiana. It's going to hit it tomorrow, as this thing is rapidly picking up speed and wind speed and size and power. Francine was forecasted to move at a more slower pace before picking up speed, but it substantially has increased today, intensifying within 24 hours of landfall. The National Hurricane Center says the latest projections indicate that this storm would reach peak intensity in that time period within maximum sustained winds, they believe, of 90 miles an hour ahead of its arrival on the Gulf shoreline, or a Category 1 hurricane. Now, maps released by the National Hurricane Center illustrated that Francine's forecast as the storm gained strength and became more organized overnight last night. Matter of fact, here is the National Weather Service path that they say this storm's going to go. Again, right at Louisiana, but now they're saying it's shifting a little more to the east. So we're looking at Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama area, okay? And Francine is moving northeast at about 8 miles an hour. It's packing a maximum sustained winds of 65 miles an hour, so it's a tropical storm while traveling up through the Gulf in that hot, very record warm temperatures. It's about 195 miles right now southeast of the mouth of the Rio Grande, 690 miles southwest of Morgan City, Louisiana. It will become a hurricane. It's Francine winds will extend outward up to 140 miles from the eye of the storm. So it's getting bigger, it's getting stronger, it's getting faster. The maximum sustained wind speeds have plateaued for a little bit, but now are picking up speed again. Watches and warnings have been issued for much of the coastal Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama coast, as well as various parts of coastal Texas. And the hurricane warning is in place, certainly for Louisiana coast from Sabine Pass to Grand Isle, and a tropical storm warning in effect for the mouth of the Pearl River, a stretch that includes metropolitan New Orleans, in addition to Lake Pontchartrain and other areas. Another tropical storm warning was issued even for the Mississippi coast. But guys, this thing is going to be a hurricane. From the Pearl River to the Alabama border, they expect severe rain and winds, a powerful storm. Hurricane warnings are activated, of course, when the winds get over 74 miles an hour. They're right now at 65 and getting stronger, getting bigger, and getting faster. The tropical storm conditions, of course, will remain in play throughout this afternoon, but it will become a